In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to restore the Get Shortlink button in WordPress. Do you want to create a shortlink of your WordPress blog posts or pages? WordPress shortlinks are useful for sharing in your emails, Facebook messages, or even text messages. It was a default feature until WordPress version 4.4. Today, I'm going to show you how to restore this feature in WordPress. As you can see in my post editor, I don't have a Get Shortlink button here. To restore the button, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now, paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. Now, one thing to note, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme gets updated. Then click on Update File. Now, back in the post editor, when I refresh the page, you can see that I have a button called Get Shortlink here. When I click on it, it'll show you the shortlink for your WordPress posts and pages. This shortlink can be shared in your emails and messages, so your audience can reach directly to this page. This is how you can restore the Get Shortlink button in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.